Hello and welcome back once again to how to use the FPA e-learning portal as a student. Adams Oluwaseun is again logged in as a student, and this time in this course, in this module, will teach us how to take your assignments and also how to take your tests or exams on the FPA e-learning portal. Okay, let's start. Now, Adams Oluwaseun logs in, and having been informed via email of a test or perhaps an assignment waiting for him, under my course, he clicks on practice of entrepreneurship. He scrolls down, and truly there is an assignment waiting for him, and there's also a test or an examination waiting for him. But first of all, let us attempt the test. Click on EED 216 and let us attempt the assignment. Click on EED 216 assignment. Scroll down. Here on this resulting page, you are welcomed to see the assignment, and here the assignments are there. The first question is define entrepreneurship. Define entrepreneur. What are the characteristics of an entrepreneur? And list the roles of an entrepreneur. Now these are three questions that the course facilitator has bundled, and it is expected there are submission options here. It says attempt number. This is attempt number 1. 2 attempts are allowed. Submission status, no attempt yet. Grading status, not graded. Due date on the 9th, and as you can see, today's date is 8th of August 2014, and today's so it means that this assignment has to be submitted the next day. So, and time for it is 1 day 4 hours, and the time is counting down. And so to attempt this question, click on add submission. Now, it is expected that this kind of question, the student or Adams would have to upload the answered question as a file after answering it. To do so, open up a new Microsoft Word, perhaps copy the questions, Control copy, and paste it, Ctrl V, and answer the questions. These are not the real answers. Answer the questions, and also type maybe perhaps answer. Okay, then for question 2, answer. And then for question 3, answer. After answering these questions and you're satisfied with it, you save it as a file on your system. It's a answer to assignment EET 216. Save. You can now close this. So the next thing is to upload this assignment. So go to the location, it's here. Scroll down, open up the window again, and drag and drop your assignment. Or perhaps click on the add, browse for the location, music, and double click on the file and click on upload the file. Okay, it appears it's already there. A file with that name has already been attached. So if you just cancel this, and as you can see, it's already there. So once it's done, you can submit. Click on save changes to submit. Now Adams Oluwaseun has just attempted a question and has submitted. Now, as you can see, file under the submission page, file submission, the answer to the question is there. And if he wishes to add any comment, he can go ahead and do so. And optionally, there's still one more attempt for him. If he feels that this is not correct, he could actually delete this and reattempt the question and upload again. Good. Now, having done this, now let's go to how a student can actually take a test or exam on the FPA e-learning platform. Now, under my course, click on Practice of Entrepreneurship, EED 216, and scroll down and click on Test/Examination. And scroll down. There is a button that labels Attempt Quiz, and you only have one. This is exam, or this is test or an exam, and so you certainly only have one attempt, and you have a time limit of 10 minutes. So attempt quiz now, and it gives you a warning, a final warning to confirm that you're ready to go. It says this quiz has a time limit and is limited to one attempt. If you are about to start a new attempt, you are about to start a new attempt, do you wish to proceed? Yes, if you wish to proceed, click on Start Attempt. If you do not wish to proceed, cancel. But of course, as a student, I wish to proceed, so click on Start Attempt. And here you're presented with the questions. The first question says, entrepreneurship brings out the businessman in you, true or false? I would want to say it's true. Next question says, question number 2, entrepreneur is a branch of engineering, true or false? I certainly want to say it's no, it's false. And the next question, which appears to be the last question because the numbers of questions will be displayed under the quiz navigation menu panel, and this appears to be the last question. So, who is an entrepreneur? It says a liar, an exploiter, a business creator. Certainly it's a business creator. Next. Good. Now you would now be presented with the summary of attempt page that says question 1, answer saved, question 2, answer saved, and question 3, answer saved. And now, because you still have more time, you've only spent about 2 minutes plus to attempt this exam or test, and so you still have more time. So there's still the opportunity for you to go back, return to attempt, and if you want to re-answer the questions again, so you can change your answers here, and if you think that you're done, now click on finish attempt. Once again, it brings us back to this page. Having checked that everything is okay by you, you can now click on scroll down and click on, it says there's an information says this attempt must be submitted by, okay, this is just telling us the date to be submitted, but go ahead and click on submit all and finish. Are you sure? Once you submit, you will no longer be able to change your answers for this attempt. It's okay. Submit all and finish. And so far so good. It shows on the summary of your previous attempts, it shows that you finished and you submitted today. And out of the 3 questions, you scored 3 out of 10. That means your final grade for this quiz is 10 over 10, which is good news for you. And so, yeah. So this course, this module, we've been able to show us how a student can actually partake in both assignment and tests as well as examination. Thank you for being part of this course. See you in the next class. Bye.